So the first thing you do is you bend the Coffee Catcha to fit on the handle, so it should just touch like that. So you bend it down a little bit further, so it's just touching like that. Now Barista's gonna show us how to make coffee using the automatic dosing. So it's pretty straightforward. You just put it on, sit it on there. This particular grinder, you can actually just sit it there like that, and you can tamp through it. And then you take the catcher off and dose the coffee as normal. Now Barista's going to show us using the manual dosing. Again, put it on. You notice he's just dosing, he's overfilling. Can you just hold that just like that? So he's overfilled, and then next step, puts it up to the top and slides across. So you can either do a few scrapes like that or one scrape. See, now you've got the flat surface and the catches down, and tamp as normal, and then dose the coffee.
Do you like it?
Oh yeah? Yeah, it's good. It's change ownership. Good idea.
Sorry?
Oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah, he